We are going to talk about how to add a discussion and what that means. So I'm going to go into one of my courses. And over here on the left in course navigation, you should see a discussions link. So I'm going to click that. And so here you can see that I have created some discussions already for this course. And we are going to create another one. So in the top right hand corner of this discussion page, it says plus discussions. Then we have the settings. So these are discussion settings. And then we have the three dots that take us to the commons favorites. So I am going to hit plus discussion. And so I'm going to put summer break discussion. And then in the rich content editor, I'm going to say, what was your favorite thing about summer break? And just ask them a very simple question. I'm going to assign it to all of my sections. I can choose to upload a file if I'd like. And then here are some options that you can choose for a discussion. So you can allow threaded replies. You can say everybody has to post before they see somebody else's reply. I'm not going to press that on this one because it's just a very simple question. But if you don't want somebody maybe stealing somebody else's answer or part of an answer, you might want to click that one. You can grade it. So if you wanted to grade a discussion, if you hit that button, this part pops up like what you would see when assigning an assignment. And so like I could give it 50 points if I wanted to. I could include it when syncing to PowerSchool. Then I can choose the correct category that I want it to go in. And then I can give it a due date. I am not going to click that on this one. And then I can add to student to-do list, so I can give them a due date on that. Even though it's not graded, I can still give a due date on that if I want to. And then I can allow liking. And so I can say anybody can give it a thumbs up, or only graders can like. So that would mean that anybody that is a teacher or an instructor within the course that's grading can like it. And so I'm just going to keep that there. You can make it a group discussion. So if you wanted a particular group to do it, then you can make it a group discussion and give it to just one group set. Then you can make it available from, like, let's see, I'm going to make it available from Monday until Friday, and then they have to have it done by then or they won't have access to it anymore. So I'm actually going to, I'll leave that there, and then I'm going to save and publish this. And so this is kind of what it would look like from the student end, except they wouldn't have the edit there, or the three dots there. But as an instructor in the three dots, you can close it for comments. So if you don't set an end date on it, you can come in and close it for comments whenever you feel like it. You can share it to the commons, you can send it to somebody, or you can delete from here. And so from here, you would be able to read everybody's discussion post. When I go back to discussions, I can see, oh, it's not available until June 19th at 12 a.m. And that would be for my students. Here, I could pin it. So if I wanted to pin it up at the top and pin the discussion, I can unpin it. I can duplicate it, delete it, etc. And so that is pretty much how you create a discussion post in Canvas. And you can reorder them. So like if you needed to move them around or whatever, you can. If you close them for comments, they come down here at the bottom. And that is all on our comments for discussions.